Right, this morning we have this Series 1 E-Type has been collected by us and brought into the workshops with what is seemingly the typical E-Type complaint, is how much water gets past the seals into the car and obviously destroys carpets. The gentleman wants to put his new carpet set in, so the first option is we've got to stop the water coming in bucket loads. Okay, so we'll first do a water test to establish where most of the leaks are. Note I said most because I'm going to be aware there's more than one, and then we can start to address the problem. Okay, we're now going to gently spray water. Got water coming through this door edge here. Got water coming through the lower door card. Water dripping through the screen rubber, both areas quite considerably. Again, lower door card. Well, I think that's enough to establish this is taking on a fair amount of water. One of the first jobs we'll do is remove the door card to see what the membrane looks like inside. We can see over time the water has been running down the back of the panel, which obviously is only of a crushed card, would not take long to destroy. Another noticeable issue, as I will pick up from here, is the membrane is actually on the outside of the door, this plastic membrane. If you look at the angle of an E-Type door, the membrane needs to be on the inside, allowing the plastic to send the water towards the drain holes that are underneath here. By having it this way, the water is driving itself straight away inside the car over the sill step. So one of the first remedies is to remove all this and get it put on the inside the door, aiming the water to the drain holes that Jaguar intended the water to run out of.